Hey y'all, Shaffney Nicole here. Today's video is a highly requested video from you guys over on Instagram about my desktop wallpaper, so let's go ahead and get into it. First things first, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you're notified when I upload new videos. If you want to get access to this exact wallpaper and folders, what you'll need to do is head over to my website and sign up for my monthly newsletter, which will also give you access to the freebie vault, and then you'll need to make sure to check your email for that password. Once you've gained access to the freebie vault, you're going to download this PDF right here, which will have the links for the wallpaper template and the folders. You'll need to click on Desktop Wallpaper to open up the link to the wallpaper template that's in Canva. Once inside the template, you'll be able to edit the text to your headings with your own. You can also use whatever font you want as well. Once you finish editing each section heading, you're going to come over to the top right and click on Share, then Download. You'll need to select which template to download and then click on Done. Then you're going to select download one more time. After it's downloaded, we're going to go to our Finders window, and on the left side, we're going to select Downloads. You should see your wallpaper template there, and if you don't, right click and then select Sort By, then select Date Added. The next thing that we want to do is add the template to a folder so it's easier to find. For example, I have mine right here in my personal items folder. For the sake of this video, I'm going to add this one to a new folder and show you how to do that. And now we're just going to drag and drop it over to that folder. Okay, now we want to add it as our wallpaper, so we're going to come over to the top left to the apple and select System Settings. Then we're going to scroll down to Wallpaper. You'll need to scroll down to the bottom on the right side and select Add Folder. Then on the left side, you want to select Desktop and choose the folder you stored the wallpaper in. You'll then need to select the wallpaper and then click on Choose. Okay, now we're going to go back up where it says Fit to Screen, and then we're going to just select how we want it to lay. I always say Fit to Screen, so that's the one I always choose. You can also change the top and bottom accent colors. If you use the little color dropper, you can select the color from the wallpaper. And here I'm just going to show you what I mean by the top and bottom accent colors. Okay, now we need to access the folder, so we need to go back to that PDF download we used previously. Once in there, we'll need to select the folders drop-down menu, and then we're going to select Download. Once the download is complete, we're going to click on the file to unzip it. You should see them come up in your Finders window. And I like to keep my folders in the same folder as my wallpaper. So when I add new blue folders, I can easily find them to change the icon. So I'm just going to drag and drop those over to that same folder. Okay, we're going to go ahead and open up the folder to the folder icons. We're going to double tap on the one we want to open first. And then we're going to basically drag this little plus cursor to create like a selection box around the icon. And then on our keyboard, we're going to hit Command C to copy. Now we're going to right click on the folder that we want to change and then select Get Info. We need to select the tiny blue folder on the top, and then on our keyboard hit Command V, and you should see the folder change. This is something that I just learned how to do, and it has made life so much easier when working. So I made apps of websites basically on my desktop. So if I click on that app, it takes me directly to that website. This keeps me from having to basically open up the web browser and typing in the website every single time. It's just much easier to do it this way. So I'm going to show you how I did this. So you just type in the website in the URL. You're gonna click on the website you just typed out, and then that little globe, you're just going to drag and drop over, and then it'll make a little file for you with the website. You can use Pinterest to find cute little icons to use for your apps. You can also like just type in like phone icons, and you should get some different ones to pop up, but that is a great way to find some really cute icons to use for your apps. And the process to change the app icon is the exact same thing that we did with the folders. If you are someone who does use Windows, I will link a ICO converter for you in the description box for the folders. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it to be helpful, give it a thumbs up. And until next time, bye y'all.